But Dickie, just for the average person watching right now, should they be believing in the continued upsize, or is this just a short squeeze that's going on, considering a lot of the positioning in Alibaba? Because people watching are going to be thinking, okay, this happens, should I buy Alibaba now?
Okay, if you're asking me now, probably it's not the best timing. But in the past, I always comment on about Alibaba and Tencent. You can see their earnings are picking up, and therefore Alibaba, I truly believe that they're aiming even a bigger target. Okay, they split into 6 businesses. They have different CEO. They can separately list it. This is something may or may not happen. But obviously, Alibaba, they already have 3 different listed company in Hong Kong, like Ali Health and Alibaba Movie, the company. So in terms of the bigger picture, obviously will be Ant Group reintroduced into the equity market, because like 2 years ago, Ant Group were not successful to be listed in Hong Kong and US, and Alibaba also market cap dropped more than 80%. So this is probably the biggest goal for Alibaba Group itself.
Oh, yes, indeed, Dickie. And you pretty much read my mind, because I just had an offline conversation with Sam Barras, who's been covering the story. And that's precisely the question. What happens to Ant Group? And will there be now renewed interest in the IPO as and when it hits the market? And when is it expected to hit the markets? What are you hearing on that?
Well, obviously, it will not happen very soon. But there's a big hope, especially this big reform they introduced just last night. And remember, like Hangzhou city government, they signed a strategic cooperation agreement with Alibaba just a few months ago. So they have a fully support from the city government, and they will have to do the reform. And therefore, in the longer term, they may introduce Ant Group Financial to be listed probably in Hong Kong, maybe in US. Again, may not be this quarter, may not be within this year, but eventually they will obviously introduce these company again to the equity market.